going on, guys? Welcome to part 6 in our partnership with ScreenPrint Direct. We're going to show you how to align your screen to your press. Before aligning your screen on your press, you want to tape all 4 sides so that ink doesn't seep through. Now that we have that taped up, it should look something like this. Now we're going to apply some padded tape to our plan. Using the T-ruler, we're going to draw our registration line so we can align our screen to the press. Now we're going to add some Super Tack by ScreenPrint Direct. The Super Tack will help your shirt stay in place when it's time to print. Before putting your screen, you have to zero out your press. Now that you have your screen aligned to your press, stay tuned to the next video where we show you how to print your artwork. For more tips and tricks, be sure to follow us. Any questions, leave them down below in the comments. I'll see you.